Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diamond World. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a simple dish that can be done in 5 minutes, an apple French toast. Let's get into the video. For this recipe, we'll be needing a slice of bread. First, we'll be cutting the sides off. Now you have to flatten the bread with a rolling pin until it feels like a sheet of paper. Now we can apply Nutella or melted chocolate on the slice of bread. Now you can place slices of apple, banana, strawberries or any other fruits you like on the slice of bread and then roll it. After you roll it, you can set that aside and add 2 eggs, 1 pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons sugar, 2 tablespoons milk into a bowl. After that, you mix the batter well till you get this color. Now you can dip your rolls inside the batter. Now heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons butter. Then you can start adding your rolls. Now roast them till they are golden brown. After you're done, it's time for my favorite part, decorating. I decided to sprinkle some powdered sugar and drizzle some chocolate syrup. And ta-da! Our hot and yummy apple French toast is ready. Please remember to subscribe, like, share with family and friends, and if possible, give feedback in the comment section below. Bye!